gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, coming to you today to talk to you about another Winnebago travel trailer. Now, this particular one, this is the Micro Minnie. It's the 2108 DS, and it's an awesome floor plan for a couple. And if you want to keep it under 23 feet, this is going to be the one for you. Now, remember that if you're in the market for an RV, whether it's new, whether it's pre-owned, just remember the RV Extraordinaire, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, hit me up and let me find that perfect coach for you. Now let's get started on this particular coach. Now, contrary to what some salespeople might tell you, model number is not indicative of length, nor is it indicative of the size of the box. With the Micro Minis, we have the 2106, we have the 2108. The 2106 is 21 foot 11 inches. This is 22 foot 5 inches. That's tip to tip. I know there's people that talk about how, well, model number is indicative of the box size. Not factual either. It could be in some cases, but I have other model numbers here on the lot that start with the 21, and they're anywhere from 25 to 27 feet. So they're running the gambit from 22 all the way up to about 27 feet in length. It is just, I say it's a game that the RV manufacturers play. So always check out the specifications before you decide on which one you're looking at. So let's get on to the outside on this particular one. So on the outside, you're looking at the front. You're looking at the front there, and you can see that you're going to have the fiberglass front. You're also going to have the rock guard. It's going to come with two 20-pound bottles, and of course we put a battery on the front for your 12-volt power. Looking also, when you look up there front, looking down the side, from the front of the camper down the side, you can see, of course, you have a nice power awning, outside stereo speakers, a place for you to put your take your TV from inside, bring it to the outside. A lot of different things you can do there. On the back of the camper, you're going to notice you have a ladder, so you get up the roof spare tire. Looking on the off-door side, you're going to see all your connection points for cable, for satellite, black tank rinse, your city water, also, you know, for your sewage. And then, of course, towards the front on the off-door side, you can see you have that large storage door, and that's going to be a pass-through. And look at all that storage you have out there. So this is the outside. Let's get on the inside. Okay, so we're getting ready to go in the door here. I just want to point out something that is brand new on these is you see the stereo speakers that you have out here. They have the LED lights down below them. So that's pretty cool. You get a nice grab handle, and you do have two steps for you to get in. And the other nice thing is that they have this screen door, and it has a spring-loaded patent pending type of a latch on it. The nice thing is when the door is closed, you can just push on that from the inside to unlock the screen door. So let's get on the inside and take a look at what you've got in here. So in this particular one, as you come in the door, I'm just going to pan here and then start talking, kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at here. So as you come in the door, what you're going to be looking at is right behind your cabinet here. This is where they're going to put your slide out control, your awning control. So you actually have to turn on a power button in order to operate those. Of course, your inside and outside lights, checking all your levels, turning your water heater on, your water pump. Notice that you have a gas and electric water heater. So you have both of that. Now looking at your kitchen area here, you're going to notice that you have a counter extension on the end there, GFI 110 outlet, double sink, 3-burner cooktop. You have the oven, and good space between this the cooktop and your fan to the outside, the microwave, and of course storage. Of course, your refrigerators are going to be your typical RV style refrigerator. That's your Dinette. Down below there, you're going to have what you're going to have here is, this is going to be your breakers and fuses, as well as your furnace. The furnace is going to blow here in the main area, but it's also going to blow into the bathroom, which is nice to know. Of course, you're going to have storage down below your oven and storage under your sink. On the back side there, you're going to have your thermostat behind the TV there. New stereo being introduced here. Nice thing with this stereo is you can control the volume on the inside and outside stereo speakers separately. Nice TV there. And then, of course, you see storage down below. You've got this dinette booth. Now, it is a step up, as you can see. They had to do that because of the wheel well there. But it's a nice deep one. Makes for a nice extra bed if need be. And then towards the front, you're going to notice you have the curtain that draws across. Also notice that it is ducted air conditioning, LED lighting, storage on either side of the bed. The cool thing about this bed, this is a Murphy bed. So when you can leave it made up, and all it does to fold it up. Let me show you how this bed works. So now you're ready. You want to go ahead in the morning. You want to put the bed away. You have the pillows and everything there. You can see that it's going to fold up, but it's not going to. It's going to fold up in a manner where your pillows and blankets are going to be fine. So all you're going to do is this has a little latch on this side. I just need to unlatch it. This is the travel position, and it's up out of your way. Now you have a sofa that you can use during the day. It's a jackknife, futon style. Just lift this up. And it's that easy. Now you have a nice sofa for the day, and you also have the dinette. So as you see, when it's in the sofa mode, you can see on both sides of the sofa there, you have plenty of storage, counter space. You've got 110 outlets on both sides, but on this side you have the USB port, so you're able to go ahead and charge your phones using the battery. Now this is an emergency window on this side, but it's also usable as a jalousie style window. All you do is you're going to just turn this, and what it does is you can see the window opens up, allows you to have air come in. So it's not just an emergency window. So let's take a look at the bathroom. So coming back here, this is really a good sized bathroom. So you can see it opens up. You're going to have AC ducts in here. You've got a power vent fan. Nice thing about that kind of power vent fan is you can use it without having a window open. You have 2 lights in here. Plenty of room for the toilet, as you can see. Foot pedal toilet. On this side, you're going to have, of course, storage, as you can see. Good storage. You have your sink. And then, of course, you're going to have the medicine cabinet above. GFI outlet. And then, of course, look at how the size of the shower. Good size shower with the shower surround, and you do have a little skylight above it. So, looking back into your area, no carpet that you need to worry about unless you throw some carpet down. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the new layout by Micro Minnie. Well, it's the Micro Minnie 2108 DS, meaning dinette slide. It's by Winnebago, and I'm going to be having a link down below so you can actually take a look at the construction of this. This has a walkable roof, hence the reason why they have a ladder on the back. So if you're looking for a lightweight trailer, I'm going to have all the specs and everything below. This trailer could be it. Has a dry weight under 4,000 pounds, double axle, so for a 22.5 foot trailer with a double axle, going to give you great tongue weight and great towability. For more information on this camper or any other RV, whether it be new or pre-owned, please remember the RV Extraordinaire. Reach out to me if I can be of assistance to you. Check out my vlogs on Sunday. Going to be giving something away this Sunday, so please do stay tuned. Have how-to videos as well as product recommendations. If there's something in particular that you'd like me to cover for you, by all means, just hit me up and let's see what we can work out for you. Thanks for watching. Hope to come back at you again soon. Take care.